Greater is he that's in me. Greater is he that's in me. See, it's not about me, but it's about the Lord, thee, Jesus.
Greater is thee who made us free. Greater is thee.
Greater is he. Oh, yeah, yeah. Greater is he that's in me. Greater is he. Come on. Greater is he that is down in me. Greater is he that's in me. Oh, see, it's not about them things to me. It's about thee, oh Lord. It is thee. Greater is thee. Is thee. Is thee. Listen. Greater is thy name. All the things you've done when I was done in my life. I see time and time again, it was you that came right in and saved me from myself. Oh, see, greater is the thee that's all down in me. It is thee always. It is thee.
Greater is thee who made us free. Greater is thee. Greater is thee. Greater is thee.
How could this thing be that I met thee in my life? Oh, that's right. Listen on. See, all because of you, I have been made true because of you. All because of you. Because of you. I can clap my hands and I can do what I do because of you. I can go because of you. I can be because of you. I am free because of you. Oh, greater is thee that's way down in me. Greater is thee. And can't nobody like the enemy come to me because of thee. Greater is he. Let me give you some glory, Lord. Listen. Time and time again, it was you, I know, that made a way for me. Made a way for me. You made me free. You made me free. All because of thee, I am free. Sing that.
Greater is thee.
All because of you, and remain true. Because of you. Say, greater is thee. All down in me, he's always making us free. See, greater is God, all in your life, he's made us free. Is thee, the Son of God, that made us free, and made us free, made us free. Greater is thee down in me. Oh, greater, greater is thee. I see I'm free because of thee, Jesus. I'm free, Jesus. Jesus. Greater is He all over me, 'cause He.
Greater is Thee, who made us free. Greater is Thee, greater is Thee, yeah. Greater
right
is
here.
Thee, who made us free.
What would we have done if you had not gone for us today? Lord have mercy. God Almighty. Where would we be gone if you have not come to our home today? Oh, if you did not defeat the enemy, how can we be free? How can we be free? How can we know the thing that we know if you did not go to a place that no man can go? How you died for us, and you bled for us, and you rose for us, and you made us free. How can we be how we are today if it had not been for Thee? How you made us free? Oh, greater is Thee that lives down in me. Greater is He. Jesus made us free. Can I say it like this? He made us free. Oh, free. Oh, free.